Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So, andito na naman tayo guys sa visa bulletin for the month of August 2024 is coming soon. Ano kaya ang prediction natin dito? Nakakakaba. So anyway guys, wala tayong magagawa. Hihintayin natin kung ano man ang ilalabas, ipapublish na cut-off dates dito sa visa bulletin for the month of August 2024. But hopefully guys, sana ito ay mag-move forward naman, no? Kasi nga yung previous sa visa bulletin is nag-move backward siya for almost 12 months. Sana naman is mag-move forward itong visa bulletin na to. Kaya lang napaka-crucial, napaka-critical kasi ang dami pang ang backlog dun sa NBC states na nireport nga natin. So, antabayanan na lang talaga natin kung ano yung official na i-publish nila dito. But, anyway, napakahirap talaga hulaan or napakahirap talaga i-estimate kung mag-move pa ba itong visa bulletin for the remaining fiscal year 2024. So, maybe guys, antabayanan na lang natin. Maybe by July 7 or 8, ipapublish na itong August 2024 visa bulletin. So sabay-sabay nating hintayin, sabay-sabay nating antabayanan. Sana lang talaga guys is mag-move forward. So ito na nga yung upcoming visa bulletin guys for the month of August 2024. So yun nga, maybe guys by July 7 or 8 may papublish na to. Malalaman na natin kung anong official cut-off date nitong August 2024. But anyway guys, meron lang akong isi-share sa inyo, meron lang ako napansin dito sa July 2024 visa bulletin. Pag inopen natin tong visa bulletin guys for July 2024, so isi-share ko lang sa inyo yung napansin ko dito. So bali ito nga yung employment base, so okay, ito nga yung last cut-off date. Ngayon guys, dito merong details. Dito guys, ito yun, no? Yung retrogression, the employment base, third preference category. So as a reader, we inform what's possible in item D of the June 2024 visa bulletin. It has become necessary to retrogress the worldwide EB3 final action date, including Mexico and Philippines. So talagang in-emphasize pa dito kasama ang Philippines. Effective in July. So yun nga guys, kaya nung nirelease nila yung visa bulletin, talagang nag-retrogress, move backward for almost 12 months for the month of July 2024. Given continue high demand and number used in this category. So, ang daming applicants nitong category na to. It will likely be necessary to either further retrogress the final action date or make the category unavailable in August. So ito yung kinakakaba ko dito guys, or talagang worry ako dito kasi meron na nga siyang note dito from previous for the month of July 2024, meron na nga siyang note dito which is we don't know kung mangyayari tong August 2024 visa bulletin is it will become unavailable. So pag unavailable yan guys, so wala na tayong reference kung ano na yung cut-off date ng visa bulletin. So mangyayari nito guys, magiging U lang yan. So from previous history, merong mga months na unavailable, so nagiging U lang yan. Pag C kasi guys, pag C, current, so if unavailable, U lang. So yun yung napaka-critical, napaka-crucial kasi wala na tayong reference kung ano na yung cut-off date ng visa bulletin. This situation will be continually monitored and any necessary adjustment will be made accordingly. So ito lang yung napansin ko doon sa visa bulletin for July 2024. So meron lang siyang parang special note dito sa baba. So with regards to EB3 retrogression. So yun guys, antabayan na natin, sana hindi nga mangyari tong August na to to become unavailable. So muli guys, maraming salamat sa inyong panunood. Daghang salamat sa inyong support dito sa aking channel. Huwag kalimutang mag-like, share, and subscribe to my channel. See you next time! Bye-bye!
secret stars.